today my hair transplant are done successfully and around 3500 grafts are transplanted. Good evening. My name is Bharat Wagela and I am from Viramgam. I was around 4 to 5 years. I was suffering from hair loss and my family doctor suggest Avenue Hair Transplant Clinic. So I visit and I decided to hair transplant. And today my hair transplant are done successfully and around 3500 grafts are transplanted. Dr. Hinder Kapadia, who has over 15 years experience in this field and also very good nature, and staffs are very supportive and very good nature. So I recommend if anyone wants to do hair transplant, please once visit. Thank you all team members.